Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have Malibu and Miami, and they are ready to spill the beans on who won the latest challenge I did with Marna over at Dolls Rescued. Marna and I had a swimsuit challenge for Blythe dolls, and both these girls are still wearing their swimsuit and their cover-up. They like it. They look so cute in it. So anyway, at the end of this video, I'm going to announce who the winner is. Marna's also going to announce on her channel as well. So whether or not you go to her channel or my channel, you will be able to find out on both of our channels who the winner is. But first, I have some Dolly mail. All right. And in fact, two of these packages here are from Marna. They came pretty quickly together, and I wanted to go ahead and share them on this video. But I also have some AliExpress stuff that I wanted to show first. This is, I don't know, I was just shopping around on AliExpress and I found these cute earrings and necklaces. Now I already took them out of the packaging, but I haven't really looked at them yet. Let's see. They look like they're enamel. And of course they have little sewing machines on them. And you know, you guys, I like to sew. So look how cute they are. Even got a little bit of sparkle on there. So these I thought were more, because it's black, gray, and red with some sparkle. I thought these would be a little bit more neutral, so I could wear them, you know, with lots of different stuff. Those are for me. And then I got two necklaces. One is kind of similar to this, and it's black. And it comes with a chain already. However, I'm kind of thinking, depending on the quality of this, let's check and see what the quality is like. I wanted to see what these were like because I have some other people on my list, on my holiday gift list, who also like to sew. And I thought if these were nice enough, I could get these as gifts, either as is. I thought I could either gift these as is, and actually this chain's pretty nice. Or I might even pull out my jewelry making tools and beads and add these to a beaded necklace. Like I thought maybe pearls would look really pretty with this. This is neat. I don't know if you can see, it's got a whole bunch of like a rainbow of colors here in the black. So that's a really cool one. And then I got this one too because I just like the colors. It's got some turquoise color in it. Oh yeah. Very pretty. This one pops, I think, a little bit more. Let's see. Let's look at them together. So this is a little bit more neutral. This one, I think, pops a little bit more because of the turquoise down here and the yellow right here. But yeah, these chains are nice, actually. I'm kind of surprised. They have nice chains on them. That's a good lobster claw clasp. I could just keep them like this, maybe finish the edges. I mean, look at that. They just cut the chain. So I wouldn't want to give somebody that because that would scratch them, but I could maybe add a little dangle or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just leave them on a chain, or do you think maybe like putting them on a beaded necklace, like pearls, like some, you know, freshwater pearls, or maybe some crystal, you know, colored crystals? What do you think? Should I leave them as is, just fix up the ends, or put them on a beaded necklace? Like I said, they're for me, but also I'm thinking maybe future gifts for the holidays for my fellow crafters that are on my gift list. So anywho, that's from AliExpress. I got those. Now let's see what Marna and Darren sent me. And there were two here. Hold on, let me see. One was I sent before the other one. So, right, this one I got first, and it's made out the label on the other side, which I'm not going to show you for obvious reasons. It's actually made out to Maleficent Powley. Isn't that too funny? And it made it. Okay. Mean Maleficent. That's going to be, so that hashtag, when we do Maleficent, which is going to be after we do Cruella. Cruella's in September, don't forget. Next, we're going to do Maleficent. We haven't picked a date for that necessarily, a hard date for that yet. But just a little fun thing Darren printed. Never feel like you have to use these stands in your videos. Darren made me one and I love it. I just thought you might like one too. Yeah, their stands are very cool. So let's check. You got me curious. She's got her sparkly, signature sparkly paper. This is the pole that goes in there. Oh, how cool. So, I'm set then. This is going to be neat. I'm rolling around ideas in my head for the Maleficent challenge, and I've even ordered a doll that I plan to use, a low-end doll that I plan to use. Look how cool that is. Mean Maleficent. That is super cool. So yeah, keep an eye on both our channels to find out more information about the Maleficent. It's going to be, you know, the two of us challenging and asking you guys to vote, and of course, also giving you a chance to participate. So if you're thinking of doing a Maleficent, I mean, that to me, that's going to be pretty involved in my brain. So I need ample time to work on that design for the doll. All right, so that's super cool. And then here's another one. Let's see if it's another stand. Now we're doing Cruella. Like I said, Cruella's in September. I'll tell you who won the swimsuit challenge next. Happy Cruella challenge. Yay! Oh, how cool is that? Oh my goodness. Just a bit of fun for your Cruella when she arrives. This is going to be fun. Yes, so my Cruella doll did arrive. I've shown her on a video already. Maybe she'll make a cameo appearance here in a minute. But check this out. Now, interestingly enough, Darren and Marna have a website and a shop on their site, and she doesn't mention it a lot in her channels for some reason. But if you've seen, I've had a number of their stands, and you can actually purchase their stands, or you know, through their website. So make sure that when you go over there, they usually have a link to their site, you know, below in her description box. But so this is cool. So there's different attachments. So depending on, you know, if I want to put the doll where this is going to go around the neck, or if I want to have it go around her waist. With Cruella is interesting because, you know, again, I haven't made I've got some sketchy designs coming up, but I haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do with her yet. So anywho, neato potatoes. Yeah, let's show Cruella real quick here. She's kind of hanging out right now. I really need to get working on it. I have some ideas, but honestly, I think I'm going to have to go shop for some fabric. So I don't have a lot of black and red fabric, and I kind of thinking of going in that direction. But so she is going to look so cool with this. Perfect. Thank you guys so much. How fun is that? Okay, so, all right, let me put Cruella down here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that Happy Mail. And now, da-da-da-da-da-da, drum roll please. The girls are here to tell you who won the challenge. It was hashtag DollySwimsuits, in case you guys want to go back and check out her video, my video, and everybody else that participated in it. We had a wonderful group. Lots of really cool footage of people with their dolls dressed in bathing suits and out by the water. And no big surprise, Marna won. She did an amazing job. Not only did she have, you know, a really good turnout with comments and stuff, she had, was it 307.5. I had 268 votes. But what was cool about hers is, now I did two dolls and they wore, you know, bathing suits and they're both girls. She did a dolly, a girl doll and a boy doll, and she made some really cool swim trunks for the guy doll, and they were pretty involved. And then they took them out on their pond and they did some paddle boarding with them. So, and it's a fun videos that she did. So so I was really impressed with what she did, not only making the bathing suit and the cover up, but also those swim trunks for the guy doll. That was, you know, a bit involved. They were lined and everything. So I learned a lot. Again, these challenges are nice for me because they push me to do things like I probably never would have thought of making a bathing suit for a doll, but I ended up, and I didn't even have a pattern. I just kind of winged it, and everything turned out pretty well, to the point where I think I might make some more of these, because basically it was, fairly easy to do. And I typically use cotton fabric, and I ended up I used this stretchy nylon stuff that I don't usually work with that very much. So yeah, so it was a really good experience, and I appreciate all the feedback and the comments and the participation with our doll community. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, don't forget that I have a Facebook group over there. I have a link down below. It's called Dolly Daily, and if you want to somehow participate still with the video challenges that we do, and you don't have a YouTube channel, just go over to the Dolly Daily Facebook group and post pictures related to it. So, for example, we're going to do Cruella next, and we're asking everybody to jump in with that as well. But if you don't have a YouTube channel and you're not, it's a lot of work. I'm not going to lie. It's, kind of turned into like a part-time job for me, which I enjoy, let me say. But if you're not game for, creating an entire video, you could just bop over and post pictures that you take on your, cell phone on Dolly Daily and participate in that respect as well, because quite a few of my viewers are members of my Facebook group, so you can share over there as well. Okay, enough chit-chatting. The girls are going to head back to the beach maybe soon. Yeah, we want to go to the beach. She's not. She would just burn. Yeah, most definitely. So she's going to go back, sit on the shelf, and wait for me to make her a dress. And as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye!